Hello everyone, this is Sanjay from Prolifix product team. Today we will dive into one of most exciting features of Oracle 23 AI, which is Select AI. This functionality enables us to interact with large language models like Cohere using simple SQL queries. With this, we can ask natural language questions, whether it's about our own data or general topic, and we'll receive a intelligent and context-aware responses from the AI. To begin with, I'm using a Oracle Autonomous Database, which you can easily create by clicking on the Create Autonomous Database. For this demo, I have already created earlier. Then we need to create a dedicated user who will interact with this service. For that, we need to click on the database users. Then, to connect to this database from the external tools like SQL Developer, we need to download the wallet file, which we can download from this database connection and choosing download wallet. Now from SQL developer, we can connect to our database by clicking on create database, create connections and choosing appropriate name and enter the username and password which you set up while creating the user. And here we can choose cloud wallet and the path of the cloud wallet which we have downloaded earlier. Then first step as database administrator, we need to grant necessary permissions to our schema. In this case, our schema is Sanjay 23 AI user, which we have created in the cloud account. I'm running this query. Then we can see we get successfully completed message. Then we can grant some required privileges for our schema. We can see here we are getting messages in the console which are succeed. Now I'll switch to the Sanjay 23 AI user. From here, we need to create a cloud credential that stores the Cohere API key for the Cohere services. For getting the Cohere API key, we need to sign on to the Cohere API.cohere.com. From the Cohere dashboard, we need to copy the keys from the trail keys. That should be pasted in the password section of this schema. Now we need to create the AI profile that links to this credential with the set of the tables we want the AI model to work with. Then here it is showing successfully created AI profile. Then we need to activate by running this exe command. Yes, we got the successfully completed message. Then with this we have set up the whole schema needed for querying. Now we'll go with some of the examples. Now this is the way of writing. Select AI chart and your simple English query. I am here asking about the which team won ODI World Cup 2023, which is the cricket. Then it might take some time to load. Here we can see the team Australia won ODI World Cup 2023 held in India, which was correct. And this shows how Select AI chart can provide a context-aware responses. And we can also ask the which team won the Football World Cup in 2018. Here it was giving 2018 FIFA France was the FIFA World Cup champions, which was correct. And we can also ask the Egyptian Cohere recipe. We'll try to view in the single record view. Oh, wow. It will giving all the ingredients needed for the Egyptian Cohere and all the instructions. And here what's getting more interesting means we can also interact with our own database using simple English instead of writing the traditional large SQL queries. Here we are checking how many customer exist, and these tables are we got from the SH. These are the customers, sales, products, countries are the tables, and we can now try how many customers exist. It was given with 55500 as the customers, and select a give me the total number of customers for each country. We can also try with this same query with the traditional SQL. This is the traditional SQL query. We'll see. This was given the country name and the customers count for the country. Now, instead of writing the whole large query, we can also ask in simple English. Now we'll check whether this query will give the same answer or right. You can see it was also giving the same answer. So instead of writing the large SQL queries, you can ask in a simple English. And that's it with the Oracle 23 AI and Select AI feature. We can now bring power of AI directly into our databases workflow using simple SQL. Thank you.